Alright, my brothers and sisters, Dan the Man. Now, I feel like those reviews I've been doing, like everybody else, it just ain't me. I'm not very good at it, man. But I will be good at showing you it and telling you what I damn well think of it. Now this, right here, this here, that there, and plus I'm a nut. I'm a nutcase. Maybe that'll be entertaining to some people. Who knows? I mean, my family's not entertained in the in the least. Now, I do dig the skull. Thank you very much. Now, I won this. HeavenGifts.com. They give a lot of stuff away. Okay? A lot. I'm looking for the box. What do I got? I got cut. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Looks like blood. Now, what do we got? 0.31 ohms, 75 watts, 4.82 volts. That's one thing I dislike is when I let go of it and you don't know what it is. I've told you that stuff before. No, why can't I find the box, man? I'm an idiot. Here we go. Sorry, man. It's the Venus by a Stage. I'm showing it to nothing. The company is a Stagevape, if you can see that. And the RDA is the Venus. And the box opens like this, which I appreciate that. You put stuff in it, right? Look, the reason I'm showing you the manual for an RDA is because it's actually a pretty good manual. This is what I would want to get in a manual, okay? Check it out. Let's see. One. See, the whole progression is right there. Whoops, I'm at 5, 6, 7. That might have been a little too fast, but let me show you the deck. We got too much glare. My bad, brothers and sisters. Here's the deck, right? Here, let me put it down here so you can see it a little bit anyway. Yeah, that's better. It's better as a squonk than it is a dripper. I'm dripping right now because I got something on my squonker, and that's just what I want to do right now, right? So if you'll see that little hole right there underneath the triangle, the rooftop, that's where the squonk will come up. It comes with a squonk pin, of course. Put a nice couple decent. The airflow, I don't particularly. I mean, look at it, right? Isn't that just weird? It's only hitting part of the coil, and to build it, I mean, this is really the way to build it. It's the only way that I can see. So it fits on fairly decent. Now these etchings are deep, man. They sure are. But it's sharp looking. Check out the drip tip, man. I dig the skulls, and it don't vape that bad. Mostly, I think, even if I don't vape this, it's a cool piece to have sitting out so people can see it. I just dig it, man. The vapes, it don't vape that bad. The flavor's not that bad. It's not horrible, but it's not the best either. Now you see how big that the airflow don't look that big, but there's a lot of airflow in it. I shut it about that way. Got it on both sides. produces some clouds, man, let me tell you. I want to see my big fat gut, that's for sure. Now, oh, we're out of focus. Yeah. All right, so. Oh yeah. Sorry, didn't mean to blow that in your face. True to shit. I want you guys to see, anyways, the kind of vapor production I'm getting out of it. It uses flathead screws, right? Which, I don't know, I guess some people like it. But if you've ever worked construction or put stuff together with flathead screws, it's a real pain in the arse. Because it's a real pain in the arse. And I jabbed my thumb today, and it bled like a stuck pig because of a damn flathead screw. And that's right. I'm not taking any responsibility for myself. It was the damn screwdriver. It came alive. No, what am I? Oh, yeah. Let's see what else. It actually comes with a couple coils, and they don't look that bad. Wait. There it is. They are either... Alright, they're probably nichrome. It doesn't say. But it's not the magnet don't... It's not magnified? Yeah. So it could either be nickel too, and stainless steel too, I think. No, that's it. Whatever. What do I know? We got stainless steel, and I got a magnet. I'll figure that out some other day, right? Little baggie of goodies, squonk pin, and extra grubs. And you know what? Let me check these bad boys. Oops, sorry. This is my mag. I've got to have this thing, okay? Ooh, okay, my bad. You know what? The grub screws are Allen wrench. And you know what? I should have changed them out. So hey, that's actually a good thing. Saying a lot. Now, Heaven Gifts does have this. And I already totally forgot. You know what? Hold on a second. $26.90 for one of these at Heaven Gifts. I'll leave a link, but look, let me show you the colors, alright? I'm not sure how good this will work. Let's see. Oh, I love when it does that. That's crazy. Red, black, blue, and stainless steel. So, I prefer the black, personally, but hey, it's got the coolest drip tip. What? Sure does. It's just, sometimes you want to fill your lungs with hot, maybe not hot, warm, tasty vapor. I do anyway. I sure do. I'm gonna give her a drip right down the middle like that. And maybe a little on top of the coils, right? Just because I don't like to drip down the drip tip, because it always climbs up the side of the RDA and then goes somehow through the no, I don't even know what I'm saying. Whatever those are. Y'all know what they are, and so do I. Just carry O-rings. Oh my god, what a dork. And then they get up underneath. It's just a real pain in the arse. I mean, in the ask me no more questions. All right, now I'm gonna bring. I'm closing it down a little bit more. This is a crazy way to do reviews, but this is how I'm doing it from now on. Man, yeah. Ooh, good flavor cutting it way down like that. Wow. Okay. Let's bring down the wattage. We'll do 6. a 6. Yeah. Here, my dog. It's tripping. He got by me, a little stinker. Alright, I'll be back. Hold on. Alright, man. We're at 10 minutes. Wow. Like, what am I thinking? I like it. Yeah, baby. It needs to go up a little more, but 70, 69. I like it. It's a little hard to, if you put it on too tight, it's a little difficult to get off, but you can use it on a mech mod. Look at that. Come truding down there like that 510 pin. That's right. See what I'm talking about? Juice getting on there and then it goes down in the 510 thing and then your mod's ruined and you paid $70 friggin' for it? Yeah. I didn't pay 70 for mine. I refuse to spend that much. Sorry, guys. Sorry if that hurt y'all's feelings. I barely, ever, rarely pay over $40, right? Anywho, this is Dan the Man signing out. I'm going to send you out the same way I used to, right? Oh, wait. Recipe. I'm actually vaping a single flavor custard, Inawera Custard. I like it as a single flavor even. And it steeps in 2 weeks. Wonderful. And I'll vape it while I'm waiting for some of my other recipes to steep because I love custards and damn near every one of them takes a month. Anywho, Dan the Man signing out, brothers and sisters. Vape on. Peace. Peace in the vape. Vape in the peace.